Tucked away on MTSU's campus is a resource that's helping families across Middle Tennessee, while also giving students a valuable real-world experience. The Speech, Language, and Hearing Clinic provides evaluations and therapy for children and adults with a variety of communication challenges.
The clinic's been on the campus of MTSU since 1967, and so we offer speech, language, and hearing therapy. We are student-run, so this is a practicum site for our undergraduate students, and so they are the ones providing the hands-on service. They are the quote-unquote therapists, but they're all supervised by licensed speech language pathologists and audiologists.
While community members receive affordable services, MTSU students get something just as important: hands-on experience working directly with clients.
So the clinic is a space where we're able to provide services for our community and also gain that hands-on experience. It's a space where we're able to have our own clients, make treatment plans for them, track their progress, and it's honestly good for both sides because we're able to apply what we're doing in class directly to therapy sessions.
It's an opportunity that's hard to find elsewhere. MTSU is one of only a handful of universities in the country where undergraduate students can gain this kind of clinical experience before heading to graduate school.
The clinic is one of a kind, and just in our career, in our lifetime, this is just that one time where we can actually just be one-on-one with those clients, and I think that's very unique and one of a kind that not other schools have.
And for local families, the clinic offers another benefit: affordable care.
For most of our families, it's less than the copay that they would pay if they were to even bill their insurance. So it's a real opportunity for families to receive services that they may not otherwise be able to afford.
As the clinic continues serving families across Middle Tennessee, it's also helping prepare the next generation of speech, language, and hearing professionals right here at MTSU. For MTSU, I'm Carly Sutton.